Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can fix a problem on YouTube. If you are being written to, try doing a search to get started. Please, friends, put your likes, subscribe to the channel, write comments at the end of this video. And let's you and I get started on this topic. So let me tell you right off the bat, the problem where YouTube tells you try a search to get started. That's a pretty common problem. And if you encounter it, don't worry, it's not that hard to fix. To do this, open your YouTube. Now at the top, click on the search magnifying glass. Only your YouTube will be blank, not like mine. After you click on the search bar, you see the channel that you used to like to watch. After that, go to the channel itself, subscribe to it, and then watch the videos that are on that channel. Most importantly, take at least 5 to 6 minutes to watch the videos on the channel. Then please go back and enter the name of another channel you like in the search box. And do the same thing. Also go to the channel, subscribe to it, and then just watch the videos that are there. Again, it's important to watch videos for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Repeat this action with several channels. And it will take about 1 to 2 days to fix the kind of problem that you're having, because YouTube wants to see what you like, what videos to recommend, because it may not understand or it may have lost some settings in YouTube. And with these actions, you will show YouTube what you like, what to recommend, and literally in 1 to 2 days, this problem will be solved. This is the way to fix the problem on YouTube. Friends, if you are written to you, try to search to get started. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.